Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this Guru Freelancer platform review, I'll share my usage experience and provide an overview of its features. Guru is a popular platform connecting businesses with skilled freelance professionals. For easy access, I've included links to Guru's website and services in the description below. This platform caters to both businesses seeking to outsource projects and freelancers looking for flexible work arrangements. Guru supports a diverse range of industries, from web development and design to writing, marketing, and beyond, making it a versatile solution for various professional needs. One of Guru's most compelling features is its flexible pricing model. Freelancers have the option to set hourly rates, milestone-based payments, or fixed project fees. This gives clients the freedom to choose the payment structure that best aligns with their project budget and requirements. Another noteworthy feature is Guru's Workroom, a dedicated collaborative space. Within the workroom, clients and freelancers can efficiently manage projects, share files, monitor progress, and communicate in real time. This streamlined approach keeps everyone organized and ensures clear communication throughout the project lifecycle. For freelancers specifically, Guru provides a suite of tools designed to simplify the work process. You can build a comprehensive profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio, making it easier to attract potential clients. Importantly, Guru prioritizes payment security through its Safe Pay system. This escrow-based system holds funds securely until the work is completed to the client's satisfaction, protecting both parties involved. Guru charges a service fee, typically ranging from 4.95% to 9% based on your membership level. This fee structure can be a cost-effective solution for freelancers seeking to expand their business and access a wider client base. Guru facilitates both short-term gigs and long-term project opportunities. Its daily job matches feature is particularly useful. This feature automatically suggests relevant projects tailored to your profile and preferences, saving you time and effort in your job search. It allows you to focus on applying for opportunities that truly align with your expertise and career goals. To summarize, Guru provides a robust platform for both businesses and freelancers seeking flexibility, security, and efficiency. Whether you're a client looking for top-tier freelance talent or a freelancer seeking a consistent flow of projects, Guru offers an intuitive interface and valuable features to help you achieve your objectives. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. And I'd love to hear about your experiences with Guru, so please share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below.